Welcome back to our channel. Today we will try to solve exercise 1.1, and in last lecture we have covered the basic of the set definition, and then we have solved two numerical and you can say that the example, and we also covered the basic representation of the set. There are two methods: set builder form and roster form. Today we will discuss exercise 1.1. Without wasting time, we are start. This is question number one. So this say which of the following are said and justify your answer. So part one, the collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. So try to solve this question. So what it say that the collection of all month of a year beginning with the letter J. So in 1 year there are 12 months 1 year. So the starting letter J, there are the only three months are there: January and July and June. So these are the three only letter which start J. So it is say that the collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. So these are the three. So this is the true for all of the universal, because these are the word three which start with the J, and these are true for the all of the word. So these are the set because these are the universal true, and these are the well defined. So what is the reason for this is the set. So we start for one. This is the set, and the reason is this is well defined. Okay, so this is the set, and we will try to solve second question. Second is the say the collection of 10 most talented writer of India. So we will try to explain for this question the collection of 10 most talented writer of India. So this is not the well defined. This is very from person to person. Say that two writer are there, X and Y, and suppose for me X is most talented than Y. So my arrangement for the sequence of the writer is X first and then Y. For you supposed to for your point of view, Y is more talented than X. Then your sequence for this for Y and X. So these are very from person to person. For me, this is supposed to that this is the very from person to person. So this is not set, and reason this is not well defined. So this we cover, and now for third. Third is a team of 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. So this also same as the previous. This is very from person to person. For me, in India, for me like Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma is the favorite, and for another one MS Dhoni, MSD is the favorite. So this is also very from person to person. So three is also not the set, not set. Why? Reason this is not well defined. So now come to fourth part. The collection of all boy in your class. So collection of all boy in your class. So suppose to in your class you have 50 boys and 50 girls. So collection of all boys, this is constant for all over the school and all over, because boys and girls are not mixed, boys are separate and girls are separate. So we can say that the collection of boys are well defined. This is same for all of the universal. In one class, if 50 are boys, then for all of the member and we can say the men, boys are constant and boys are same for all of the persons. So for this is set and reason, this is well defined. Come to fifth, the collection of all natural number less than 100. Collection of all natural number less than 100. So in this what we can say, a natural number what that start from 1 and these are the integers. So 1 2 3 dash 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 up to 100. So this said this. So the collection of all natural number less than 100. So these are the universal true. These are the same for all of the person start from 1 and go to the till 10. So these are the set because this is well defined and same for all of the universal set and reason well defined. Come to 6, a collection of novel written by the writer Municipal Premchandra. Collection of novel. So it is specified say that the collection of all novels written by Municipal Premchandra. So this is the set. Why? Because it is specified that the collection of all written by Municipal Premchandra. So suppose that is write like seven novels. So these are the universal true. For me, this is 7 and other is also 7. So these are the set and reason well defined. Come to 7. This is say that the collection of all even integer. All even integer means even integer. What is integer? Which divide by 2 and even. So start from 2, 4, 6, 8 and 4 till infinite. So these are the set. Why? This is universal true. This is same for all of the universal set reason well defined. So till now we have covered 7 part and I think 2 part more. So it is the collection of question in this chapter. So in this chapter I think around supposed to 50 question are there. So these are the true for all of the person because it is specified for this chapter, only this chapter, and this chapter have a constant question 50. So these are also set. So it here I write for 8 part. These are the set reason. This is well defined. And for 9 part, so what is reason for nine question we are at a collection of most dangerous animal of the world. So these are the very from person. For me, most dangerous is animal is lion, and for another most dangerous is snake. So this is vary from person to person. So we can say that this is not set. Reason, this is not well defined. Not set. It's not well defined. So these are the all part we have covered. So now it's time to for question second. So in second question it say that the let a is equal to 1 2 like this is a set and insert the appropriate symbol. This symbol is known as the epsilon and this is not epsilon. We have covered this also in our last lecture. So what the mean by epsilon? Suppose to this is a and if a member a element belong to this a, then it is written by epsilon and not then not epsilon. In this blanket spaces okay. So we cover. So 5 is the element of a, 5 is are there. So this is epsilon. And for 8 these are not in this, so this is not epsilon. 8 are not in this set and 0 are also not in this epsilon in this set, so this is not epsilon. And 4 are also in there in the set a, then this is epsilon. 2 is are also there, so this is epsilon, and 10 are also, so sorry, 10 is not in this, so this is not epsilon. Sorry for that, 2 is are there, so this is supposed to be epsilon. So this we have covered question second and question 1. So for today this is enough, and in next class we are trying to solve this